Now we are going to see about the applications of Ellington diagram. What are the uses of Ellington diagram? First thing is we can find a suitable reducing agent for metal. We can find the suitable reducing agent for the metals, for the extraction of metals. Second advantage, we can find whether the metal oxide formed is stable or unstable. That is, stability of metal oxides can be found using Ellington diagram representation. Third application is that we can find formation of metal oxides such as non-metal oxides such as this iron oxide, ferrous oxide, carbon monoxide, etc., which we can later use for stability purpose, checking of stability, and also temperature range. In short, thermodynamic feasibility of a particular equation can be found using equations or metals and etc. can be found using Ellington diagram. These are some of the applications of Ellington diagram, but there are some disadvantages too in Ellington diagram. What are the disadvantages? First disadvantage, rate of the reaction cannot be found, which is a major drawback, because when we are giving some reaction, if some reaction is occurring, rate of the reaction is very very important. With rate of the reaction only, rate means speed of a reaction, when will the whole reaction will get over, that is the rate of the reaction. We should know the rate of the reaction because we can't keep waiting until the product is formed. So that is one limitation. With Ellington diagram we cannot find the rate of the reaction. Second disadvantage is that the delta G interpretation is just assumption, which is a major drawback for Ellington. This delta G representation that we are doing, delta G is equal to negative value, we are taking, right, that is just an assumption for products, which assumption for products which may or may not be true. So now we have extracted the metals. Now we have to purify them. Purify the metals we have got due to several process. So that purification of process, like removing impurities, is called as refining process. Removing impurities is called as refining process. There are so many process of refining process in order to isolate crude metal. What are the different methods in this refining process? First method is distillation. Distillation is low boiling volatile metals, that is example zinc, mercury, etc., can be heated, evaporated, vapors are condensed to get pure metal. So this is distillation process. Next method is liquefaction. In liquefaction method is the particular gas or particular solid is first liquefied or molten, then impurities are taken away, and again solidify of the metals. This is liquefaction method.